Okay, it's time to open another box of new books from the library, and we'll see what we have inside. I pre-cut the tape before we started, but let's see what we have. Oh, this is such a full box. Okay, Star Wars Adventures in Wild Space, The Darkness. This is a fun series, and I think this might be, is this the last one in the series? It is not. The Rescue is the last one. So there are 7 books in this series. Skullduggery Pleasant Bedlam by Derek Landy. This is a really fun series with like this flaming skeleton. And she inherits her uncle's fortune, and she inherits a lot more than that. Okay, Shadow House Fall by Daniel Jose Older. This is book 2 in the Shadow Shaper Ciphers series. Okay, here's the last one, Star Wars The Rescue. I'm not going to tell you what happens, but in this one, it's the end of the series. But maybe they'll write another series to go with it. Skullduggery Pleasant, Kingdom of the Wicked by Derek Landy. Hilo, Then Everything Went Wrong by Judd Winnick. Skullduggery Pleasant, The Dying of the Light by Derek Landy. Some of the books in the series were hard to get in the States for a while, so you could get them like in London, but not here, and now you can get them all. A Sorrow Fierce and Falling by Jessica Cluess. This, I think, is a sequel to, it is. It's a sequel to The Shadow Bright and Burning and A Poison Dark and Drowning. So this is book 3. The Unbreakable Code Book Scavenger series, Jennifer Chambliss Berkman. Scarlet and Ivy, The Lights Under the Lake by Sophie Cleverly. This looks like a mystery. It's book 4 in Scarlet and Ivy. Okay, and here's book 5, The Curse in the Candlelight. Check out the Library Weenies and Other Warped and Creepy Tales by David Lubar. This is a very funny series. Skullduggery Pleasant Midnight, Derek Landy again. This is book 11. Kimberly McCreet, The Collide. Okay, book 6, Deathbringer from Skullduggery Pleasant. And book 5, Mortal Coil. Okay, Last Scene, The Murderer Next Door, Sarah Shepard. This is the Amateur series, which is a great mystery series. So you've got like the murder mysteries and the missing people. And this is book 3. It seems like there's an ending in this one when I read it, but I'm not sure that it's a total ending. Okay, book 10, Resurrection from Skullduggery Pleasant. Jolly Foul Play by Robin Stevens. This is a Wells and Wong mystery. I love mysteries. Mist, Metal, and Ash by Gwendolyn Clare. This is a sequel to Ink, Iron, and Glass. So this is kind of a deep fantasy, quite a complex world. It's an interesting one too. Renegades by David Liss. This is book 3 in the Random series. Skullduggery Pleasant 8, Last Stand of Dead Men. And number 4, Dark Days. Guardian of the Gate, Michelle Zink. This is book 2 in the Prophecy of the Sisters trilogy. This is actually a replacement copy, so those were pretty good. Clash of Beasts, a Going Wild novel by Lisa McMahon. This is the Unwanted's author, you guys. This is one of your favorite authors. This is book 3 in the Going Wild. But she's a great author. And if you like Harry Potter, you're going to like The Unwanteds. The Ring of Solomon, Jonathan Stroud. This is Bartimaeus. And this is a replacement copy as well. Legendary. This is a Caraval novel, and it's number 2. Number 3 is out, but we needed a new copy of that one. Jedi Academy, Revenge of the Sith. This is Jarrett Krasowska. Okay, I'm not sure I'm saying his last name right. But he wrote Hey Kiddo. And that's a really good graphic novel. Circle of Fire. This is book 3, Prophecy of the Sisters. Wolf Brother, Michelle Paver. Book 1. So book 1 had gone and had been lost. So this is a replacement too. Okay, The Missing Risked. This is Margaret Peterson Haddix. This is book 6. A lot of these actually are replacement copies. Bounders, The Forgotten Shrine by Monica Tesler. This is book 3. Star Wars The Heist, book 4 in the Adventures in Wild Space series. It's a fun, easy read too. Dagger and Coin by Kathy Macmillan. This is the sequel to Sword and Verse. The School for Good and Evil. So this is, what book? Book 3. The Last Ever After by Soman Chainani. That's a popular series too. The Long Lost Home, Mary Rosewood. This is The Incorrigible Children of Ashton Place, book 6. Oh, that's a cool cover. Okay, so this is the author of The House with a Clock in Its Walls. And it's The Figure in the Shadows by John Bellairs. And I believe this is like a companion story to The House with a Clock with the Walls. So, A Clock in Its Walls. Nightblood by Ellie Blake. The Reign of Night Has Dawned. This is the last one in the series, book 3. So if you've enjoyed Frostblood and that rest of that series, there you go. Come and check it out. Ooh, Kingsbane. This is book 2 in the Imperium trilogy by Claire Legrand. Okay, so book 1 was Furyborn, and it was fantastic, you guys. So you're going to want to read this series. Star Wars, The Cold. This is book 6, Adventures in Wild Space. The Wizards of Once, Twice Magic by Cressida Cowell. This is the author of How to Train Your Dragon, and this is only book 2 in this series. Okay, David Baldacci has started writing books for YA. This is The Stars Below. This is actually book 4. So most of his books are for adults, but this series is YA. Okay, The Golem's Eye. This is the Bartimaeus series by Jonathan Stroud. And I can't remember which book number it is, but that's also a replacement copy. Okay, Tamora Pierce by Becca Cooper. No, Becca Cooper is by Tamora Pierce. Sorry, guys. This is Mastiff. Okay, she has written these fantasy worlds, and there's 3, I believe. So there's different ways you could probably read these. They kind of tie together, and this is book 3 in the Becca Cooper series. But I really love Tempest and Slaughter. If you're a Harry Potter fan, this is just a little bit older writing, but it's really good, and you'll enjoy this a lot. Okay, that is all for this box. We'll catch you next time.